your freshwater tank, that's made with a polyethylene material. You want to make sure that that tank is flushed periodically. In the past, what we used to tell people, until you came along, where'd you work, water department, or?
I worked for Gordon Brothers for 25 years.
Okay. And probably about the same time, I'd been to a seminar from the Thetford people. That's the people who make this hose here and all this stuff here, about bleach. And how you should never use bleach on anything in your RV. And why it's bad. How it destroys your rubber, kills seals eventually. And that's probably one of the things that we see with people using bleach in their freshwater tank, pumping it through the system to rinse it out. And that's why we see these things going bad prematurely. These are not what they call impeller pumps. There's nothing spinning in here. They're diaphragm pumps. They go like this to pump the water. And that's why these things probably leak and fail premature. Well, not probably. Probably the one reason, the main reason. Bleach. We have people that dump bleach in their waste tank. Not a good idea to do that. You can destroy the rubber seals that are in your valve. Yes. Oh, yeah. Anytime you put bleach in your tank, whatever you're using in the way of chemicals, it kills it. Unless you're using formaldehyde.
Can you go back to
I don't have one, it just goes right in there. I have a hot water tank, but not storage,
You've got a,
preferably,
you've got a park model.
yeah.
And park model, not, they're set up like a house trailer.
Or a pump, it doesn't have either.
Yeah, they wouldn't have it. They just live right off of city water. Yep. So anyways, we were talking about the bleach, which you shouldn't pay any attention to, forget it's in there. And what do you do it? A musty smelling tank. There's a couple ways you can do it. You do have a sanitizer right here. This stuff here does a great job of doing it. Now this stuff right here is made of a chemical called sodium hypochlorite, which is a form of This is chlorine, but it's powder form. So, what do we clean a freshwater tank out in the system out with? Hydrogen peroxide. That would be the best thing to use. Little brown bottle. Cheap. For a tank, you would use how much?
probably 4 to 6 ounces?
Yeah, 4 to 6 ounces.
Yeah.
Important tank, fill tank up, let it sit, drain it. You might want to do it again and pump it through the system. Let that hydrogen peroxide get through. That hydrogen peroxide wouldn't harm you unless you drank it straight out of the bottle. Wouldn't do that. I wouldn't wash your hair yet until everything was cleaned out. But hydrogen peroxide would be the best thing to use.
What size tank?
Yeah, so